In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a bid on eBay. Whether you're new to eBay or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can confidently bid on your desired item. So, grab your device and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to ebay.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one before proceeding. Logging in not only allows you to place bids, but also to track and manage them easily within your account dashboard. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, especially if it's your first time. Next, you'll want to search for the item you're interested in. At the top of eBay's homepage, type in the keywords that best describe what you're looking for into the search bar and hit enter. Browse through the listings, paying close attention to the details in each one. It's important to find an auction listing, as this is the format that allows you to bid. Once you've found your desired item, click on it to open the listing. Upon opening the listing, you'll want to carefully review all the details provided. Check the item description to ensure it meets your needs, and don't forget to look at the seller's rating and feedback. This part is crucial as it gives you insight into the seller's reliability. Assuming everything checks out, you're ready to proceed. Now on the item page, you'll see a button labeled Make Offer or Bid. Click on Make Offer to proceed to the next step. This is where you'll be able to enter the amount you're willing to bid. Take your time to think about your bid amount. You'll want to bid an amount you're comfortable with, and that reflects the value you perceive in the item. Enter your bid into the designated box. Once you've entered your bid amount, go ahead and click on Continue. This step will typically include a confirmation page where you can review your bid before final submission. Double-check your bid amount and ensure everything is correct. This will avoid any surprises later on. Finally, if everything looks good, click on Make Offer to officially submit your bid. Once your bid is placed, you'll receive confirmation, and your bid will register on the auction page. You can then monitor the auction status from your eBay account, and you'll be notified if your bid is exceeded or if you win the auction. And there you have it. You're now poised to place a winning bid on eBay. Be sure to keep an eye on your auction as the close time approaches. Sometimes bidding activity can increase dramatically. Good luck, and happy bidding.